Hey, what's happening, guys? Jala, in Tech over here. I was just gonna, talk about upgrading the RAM here for the P53s. Man, it's amazing where the laptop technology has gone now, man. It's like this is the whole system board right here. That's it. It's like half of the laptop, right? And it's so small, man, and a lot has changed. And I'm talking about the battery. This is it. This is the battery, guys. This is it. It's so flimsy and so light. I actually like I'm having that thing like, okay, well, I don't know if this is a good quality or not. So this is it. This is the battery, guys. This is what gives you 15 hours of charge, right? It's crazy. But I guess it works, man. It's the technology, man. Technology is getting there. It's getting more and more exciting. So that's it. So just to go over it here, this is the flash memory, right? So the hard drive, instead of like a big solid state drive, you have this tiny thing right here. This is 512s storage memory right here. So this is it. This is as small as the storage memory. This is the fan. Like you can see how flat that is too. I don't like how flimsy it is like this. Everything is just super flimsy looking here, man. Yeah, it's so weird. But it's not any lighter. It's not that light in comparison. So I'm lifting this thing up. I mean, yeah, it's just a little bit, but it's not noticeably lighter. So I'm like, where is this big battery right here, which is twice heavier than this one, by the way. And this is just the second battery. This has a mechanical hard drive. The P52s have the mechanical hard drive in it. There's all it has is that. This is your 4G LTE band right there. That goes into that. That's the antenna right there. The speakers on the other side. But that's it. This is it, man. It's Intel's 8 Gen processor. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is all we're dealing with here. So I'm going to upgrade the RAM anyway. I'm a little disappointed. I thought that there's 2 slots of a RAM here, but it seems like you only have one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it looks like it's only 1 slot right there. So it looks like I can only put one of my 16 gigs right there, but I have 2 16 gigs. So I was hoping that with the mounted built-in 16 gig, adding another 32 gig will give me 48, right? But it looks like I'm only gonna have to do it 116 gig, so giving me a total of 32. That's still enough considering there's a solid state drive, so that should be fine. But eventually I would want to look for a 32 gig RAM and just pop that right there. All right, guys. All right, well, this is the RAM upgrade for this module. All right, talk to you later. Peace out.